So check it out, y'all. I'm in Washington. I'm over here near the Olympic National Forest, right on the east side. I pulled a hitch out of Leadville after staying in the Leadville hostel for a couple days, and went over Snoqualmie Pass, and the same route that I took the last time I left Washington in the Army. And it was I remember it was a bummer to leave Washington because of the outdoor stuff here. And 9 years later, back again. Going to hang out with some of my old friends, Dave and Nikki, in a little while. Maybe stay over there, or hang out with them for a day or two, and then get to hiking. I'm gonna try to focus on the North Cascade area and Olympic National Forest area. They don't allow dogs in the national park, so I'll be on the national forest areas around the parks. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all soon. Love everybody.